Hello guys, in today's video I want to be showing you how to remove scratches and blemishes from old photos using Remini. So to do that, open your Remini application like this. Alright, so if you happen to have an old photo that you want to modernize or to remove scratches and any blemishes, basically come and look for that photo. So this photo over here, as you can see, it's very old guys. Right, so when I tap on it like that, it's a very old photo. As you can see, it has a lot of scratches within it. So all I need to do is to just come and tap on the enhance button there in Remini application. So when I tap on the enhance button, I need to wait for Remini to start working on it. So it's reconstructing the details and adding more pixels, and it will soon be done. Alright, so let's wait and see. So boom guys, as you can see, when you do that, you have basically removed the scratches and blemishes from an old photo of Remini. Alright, so guys, thank you for watching. As you can see now, the difference is very vivid. Alright, so when you reach at this point, you can basically save your photo from here, then you find it in your gallery guys. Alright, so thank you for watching. If you found value in this video, please subscribe. We shall meet in the next video.